Getting a new SIM card from Xfinity is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few easy steps. To start, ensure you have an Xfinity mobile account and a compatible device. If you are a new customer, you will need to sign up for Xfinity mobile service first. First, visit the Xfinity website and log into your account. Navigate to the Xfinity mobile section and click on the Manage Plan option. From there, select the Get a New SIM Card option. You will be asked to choose the reason for requesting a new SIM card, such as a lost or damaged SIM or a new device. Next, select the type of SIM card you need, which will depend on the type of device you have. Xfinity offers a variety of SIM card types, including standard, micro, and nano SIMs. If you are unsure which type of SIM card you need, you can check your device's user manual or contact Xfinity support for assistance. Once you have selected the correct SIM card type, review and confirm your shipping address. Xfinity will ship the new SIM card to you free of charge, and you can expect to receive it within a few business days. You will also receive an email with tracking information so you can track the status of your shipment. After receiving your new SIM card, insert it into your device and follow the activation instructions provided by Xfinity. This will typically involve restarting your device and following the on-screen prompts to complete the activation process. If you encounter any issues during activation, you can contact Xfinity support for assistance. It is also important to note that if you are replacing a lost or stolen SIM card, you should contact Xfinity immediately to report the incident and request a new SIM card. This will help prevent unauthorized use of your account and ensure that you can continue to use your device without interruption. In summary, getting a new SIM card from Xfinity is a simple process that can be completed online in a few easy steps. By following these steps and selecting the correct SIM card type, you can quickly and easily get a new SIM card and stay connected with Xfinity Mobile.